Hi, I'm Tony, and today I'm going to show you how to make my vegan Spaghettios from plantbasedonabudget.com. This recipe originally comes from the Plant Based on a Budget Quick and Easy cookbook. It's been loved by so many that I also have it on my blog. It is so delicious, and I even found these really cute O's on Amazon that I will link on the bottom to make it even more nostalgic. It comes together in 15 minutes. You can add in some veggies, you can make some vegan meatballs and toss those in, but I'm gonna keep it simple and let's get started. In a medium pot, I've already added about half the pot full of water, and I'm gonna add in 7 ounces of this pasta. I've already used half a bag, so instead of opening up this one, I'm just gonna toss in the half that I have from this 16-ounce bag. I'm gonna wait for the water to come to a rumbling boil before I add in my pasta, and then I'm gonna cook my pasta according to package instructions. My water is now boiling, so I'm gonna pour in the pasta. If you want to save money and not buy the O's, you can also go with this very affordable option. These are alphabet-shaped pasta that I really love. You can usually find them in the aisle that's titled Hispanic Foods in the international section of the grocery store, and they're very inexpensive. I want to say I got these from Walmart for about 50 cents. Or maybe I got these from Grocery Outlet. Either way, they're very affordable, and you can stretch them a long way, especially if you're adding in some vegetables. So if you want to skip on the O's, you can go with these instead. My pasta's finished and I drained the water, and now I put the pasta back in there, and I'm gonna start pouring all of the other ingredients in there, and then it's done. So here we go. I'm adding in some tomato sauce. You can either use 16 ounces, which is 2 smaller cans, or you can use one of these, which is 15 ounces. I usually do 2 smaller ones because I like it saucy, but this is all I had on hand, so it's gonna do. And I'm gonna stir that in so that the pasta does not stick to the bottom. Then I'm gonna add in 3 tablespoons of Earth Balance. I like these blocks of butter because they are labeled with measurements, as you might be able to see here. And it measures it out by the tablespoon. So we need 3 tablespoons, and I've already cut my measurement. And I'm gonna toss that in the pasta sauce and let it get nice and melty. That'll make it creamier. And while that melts, I'm gonna add in 2.5 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, which is going to make it extra cheesy. And if you use fortified nutritional yeast, you'll also have a boost of nutrition. If you've had regular Spaghettios, you know that they have a sweet taste, so I'm adding in a little bit of granulated sugar. I have all of the exact measurements in the link below, which is also a printable recipe. Then I'm adding in some onion powder, sprinkling in a little bit of salt. And that's it. We're just gonna stir everything until it's nice and creamy. It already smells so good. We wanna make sure that butter is fully melted. Serve it up in my bowl. It's so creamy. And this makes between 2 and 4 servings. So I'm serving this much to show you, but I will probably only eat half of that. It smells so good. Can't wait to eat it. It's so nostalgic. It takes me right back to when I was a kid. It tastes very familiar. I also have some notes. If you want it to be a little bit sweeter, go ahead and add in a tad bit more sugar. And if you want it to be more acidic, you can also add in a little tiny bit of apple cider vinegar and just keep doing a taste test until it suits your fancy. I hope you give this recipe a try. Again, it comes from my book, Plant Based on a Budget Quick and Easy, which I'll link down below. And if you want more content like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. All right, see you in the next one. Bye.